Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to fix error loading mods in Minecraft. So for this you need to search for CURSE, go to the website, then you go browse all, and here you choose Forge under filters and mod loaders, press on mods, then in here you search for not enough crashes. Alright, and you go ahead and grab this mod. So we go here, we go to files, and we download the latest version. Like this, or except we need a Forge version, so this one. And after downloading the file, you just need to pretty much drag this file into your Minecraft mods folder. So for that, you just open up your Minecraft folder. So you go to app data, like this. You go to roaming, you go to Minecraft, then you go to mods, and into this folder you drag that file. Alright, there you go, I copied the file into here, and after that you can just start your Minecraft and see if that works. Enjoy guys, if this helps you don't forget to like and subscribe, we greatly appreciate it. See you soon.